This is a brand new 2014 Ford Escape. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include keyless ignition, heated seats, an intercooled turbocharger, a limited slip differential, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, side curtain airbags, full power accessories, a rear window defroster, a rear spoiler, dusk sensing headlights, a power rear lift tailgate, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Brondis Ford Maumee offers a wide selection of Ford and Lincoln vehicles and is an automotive leader in the area. Stop by our showroom located at 1511 Reynolds Road in Maumee and visit us online at brondisfordmaumee.com.